अमरीकी वज़ीर ख़ारजा मार्को रूबियो ने कहा है कि ईरान में अमरीका के मकासद बहुत वाज़ेह हैं। ईरान की फ़ज़ाइया का ख़ात्मा किया जा चुका, बहरिया का ख़ात्मा भी करीब है। बड़ी तादाद में मिसाइल लॉन्चर्स को तबाह किया जा चुका है। उन फैक्ट्रियों को भी तबाह किया जाएगा जहां मिसाइल और ड्रोन्स बनाए जाते हैं। इंकशाफ किया कि अमरीका अपने मकासद महीनों में नहीं हफ्तों में हासिल कर लेगा। खबरदार किया कि ईरान ने आबनाए हुर्मस को ना खोला तो उसके संगीन नताइज भुगतना होंगे।
We have very clear objectives that we're trying to achieve here. Those objectives are the destruction of their air force, which has been achieved, the destruction of their navy, which has largely been achieved, a significant reduction in the number of missile launchers that they have, which we're well on our way to achieving, and we are going to destroy the factories that make those missiles and those drones that they are using to attack their neighbors and the United States and our presence in the region. We will achieve those objectives. We are well on our way, or ahead of schedule. We will achieve them in weeks, not months. And then we'll be confronted with this issue of the Straits of Hormuz, and it'll be up to Iran to decide. And if they choose to try to block the Straits, then they will have to face real consequences, not just from the United States, but from regional countries and from the world.